Now we need to learn about what are the Power BI products we have it. If you go to the again official website, what we have Power BI, let us go and try to look into the Power BI website. I have here, this is what the Power BI official website. And if you go and try to observe the products, in these products, we learn now what is Power BI, why Power BI. This below whatever we are seeing, right? These all are products only. These all are products only. I would like to explain first Power BI desktop. This is our 70% of our time we are going to spend with Power BI desktop only. We are going to spend with. First, I would like to talk about Power BI desktop. I would like to talk about it. Okay, if you click on the Power BI desktop, we are seeing one window. It's showing it as go from data to insights to action with Power BI desktop. So you have the data. From the data, we are trying to get the insights. Insights is nothing but some metrics we are going to get it. For example, I want to know what is my average sales, what is my downtime, peak downtime when we have it, what do you mean by my concurrent users, something like that. That's kind of insights, metrics we are going to get it. Using those metrics, I am going to take the action. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take the action. So data to insights, insight to actions, we can get it using Power BI desktop. We can get it. Okay, now see this one. It is beautiful report what they designed it. It is called as what if analysis. If my profit is 50% where I am, if my customers are 25% increased, where my business will be. If my production is going to increase by 10%, what will happen to my business? That's what called as what if analysis. If corona virus is there another 3 years, what will happen to our economy of the India? Something like that. What if analysis means if this happens, then what will happen to something else? That kind of analysis also we can do very quickly, and we can see that one in tabular format, and we can see that one the map format or different visualizations also. We can go and we can switch it. This kind of beautiful reports you can develop within no time. We are able to develop it like this. You can connect to n number of databases. You can connect and you can do this one. Let us go and try to see the summary points what I organized here. Create rich interactive reports with visuals analytics at your fingertips. We are going from data to insights, insights to actions with Power BI desktop. Connect to your data whenever it is required. Prepare and model your data with easy. This is something ETL also we are doing it. We are extracting, we are transforming, we are loading, we are modeling like that. Preparation is we are doing as well as we are doing the model also we are doing it. Provide advanced analytics with familiarity of Excel. If you know Excel, you can take it yourself as you know Power BI also. Because Excel next level I can say as Power BI. Other words, I can say in Power BI desktop is nothing but three tools of Excel. One tool is Power Query or Power Query Editor. Second is Power Pivot. Third is Power View. If you know in Excel these three features, what it is doing, I can say you are educated already, you know already Power BI. If you want, you can see the supporting document. I kept here supporting document, Power Query, overview and learning. Power Query, we are doing here connecting to the data sources, transform the data sources, combine the tables if you want it, then you are going to share it. These are the what we are doing in the Power Query. Similarly, in the Power Pivot, we are trying to do here, kind of measures calculation, kind of data modeling, we are trying to do it. And creating your KPIs, key performance indicators, and some kind of calculations we are doing it. And Power View is nothing but development of your reports. Development of your reports. Different types of reports are going to develop it, like line charts in Power View. We're going to get some kind of line chart. If you know really these three tools, Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, I can take yourself as granted you know Power BI. Even my course also, you can notice I organized as these all chapters are related to the Power Query. These three chapters are related to the pivot. These all chapters are related to the Power View, something like that. So I can say now Power BI is a collection of these three things. This is what I want to talk about Power BI desktop. End of the day, we are going to develop a report. We are going to develop using Power BI desktop. Okay, you developed the report. The report, once you develop it, you are going to save that one. That saved report is available in our local machine, in our local hard disk. In our local hard disk. But I want to see that report in mobile applications through the internet. I want to see it. Then we need to publish that report into some other place which is known as Power BI service. Which is known as Power BI service. In fact, we are not seeing Power BI service option in the products here, right? Are you seeing Power BI service option here? I was saying over there Power BI service, but under the products, I am not seeing here Power BI service. Right, Power BI service is coming from the licensing of Power BI Pro or Power BI Premium. You need to get the difference between Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium. Difference, you have to get it. Let us click on the Power BI Pro. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? So if you see the Power BI Pro, I have here. Okay. Let me go for Power BI license cost calculator. Okay, this is the best way they provided the calculator. Let me take that help and try to explain the difference between Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium. So now you can see here I have Power BI Premium calculator. Tell us about your organization. Suppose you have 5,000 users are available. It's a big organization, that means. How many total users will have access to Power BI? Here, users means here different people are available actually. Pro users meaning who need here users requiring collaboration, data modeling, content authoring, dashboard sharing, ad hoc analysis, and report publishing. I can say developers. Simple words I can say as what? Pro users is nothing but developers. And frequent users is nothing but users consuming dashboard and reports. Nothing but I can say business users. Business users. They are not going to develop the reports. They are not going to connect to the databases. They are not going to model the data. They are just using the data, using your reports. And users, occasional users, they will be using my reports, but occasionally, monthly ones or yearly ones, they will be coming and they will be using it. That kind of people are called as occasional users. Okay, if you have 1,000 developers are available in your company, it's very big count. 1,000 developers in one company are available means there is too much of big volumes of data, big volumes of business it is. And frequent users are 1,750. That many business decision makers also, it's very tough, very big project it is. 2250 occasional users are available. Even this much of users are available also. My cost will be this much only. We have it. It is very cheap in the market for this much of big volume of people. For example, I have here something less. We have it. Something less. We have it. This is 0. I am taking occasional users, and also frequently users also I am taking at 0. Then I am having only pro users I am having here. I am having only pro users I am having here. Pro users I am having 5,000 or whatever it is. 100% is or 5,000. These people only we have it. Then for each user we have to pay 9.99. Then your license will be cost to something like this. We need to adjust this one. What are the types of users are available? You have to adjust it, and you can calculate your license. You can calculate it. This is only estimate. Even if you go and speak with the Microsoft based on your tie-up, based on what products you purchased, they are going to give too much of discounts. They are going to give it. In my company, we are using Power BI, and we have the around 2,400 users are available. In that one, 100 users are developers are available. With all the group, we are paying only 3,000 USD per month. 3,000 USD per month. That is very cheap. That means on an average, $1 we are paying for each user. We are paying $1. Okay, that is very cheap. That is very cheap. That's what I want to say about it. Of course, we are using a lot more products from the Microsoft. We are using Azure, we are using the Open 365. Because of that relation, what we have it, they are giving discounts and all. Now, whatever we have now report, end of the day, that report we are going to publish into Power BI service. Once you publish into the Power BI service, you can develop the dashboards here. We can conduct data-driven collaborations here and discover insights quickly here, get more done. Familiar tools are available here. So you are going to work 100% of your time, 100% of your time on two tools only. One tool is called as Power BI Desktop. Second tool is called as Power BI Service. Only these two tools only are going to work on it. Any questions? What are the products? These two tools only are going to work on it. And remaining things, for example, we have Power BI Mobile. You have the mobile app. You can go and you can install the app. If you provide the username and password, what you are seeing in the laptop, same report you can access using mobile app. Also, you can access it. If you want to embed your report, whatever available in our regular website, you want to embed it. You can go and you can embed it. Some people are there who are going to use SSRS. SSRS. MSBI has three products: SSIS, SSRS, SSIAS. If you want to host your Power BI report inside the Power BI report server, you can go and you can deploy into Power BI report server. You can deploy it. But most of the people, what I come across the situations, everyone is going for the Power BI service only. Power BI service alternative they are providing as Power BI report server they are providing. Am I clear? Yeah, let me pause here. Please ask me, do you have any questions on the product side? Any questions, folks? No? Okay, that's good then. That's good.